for the net, like this. This small piece with package mesh bag like this. Okay, let me open this and show you.
It's fair.
Oh. Like this. Extruded PE net. Though the wire is thin, but it is very strong.
The popular color is green and white. Right?
Yes, but this green color is very most popular.
Yes.
Because it can be a small piece like this in a small mesh bag. So the package is easily to sell in supermarket, in store.
Yes.
You don't need a big quantity because we are factory and we produce this product all the time.
So no, I'm okay. One piece is also okay.
If you want to start this product and don't know where to buy, come to us. We will give you our most support from price, product, delivery time,